Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make roux with butter and flour. Heat butter over medium heat until melted, then whisk in flour immediately to form a smooth paste. Stir continuously to prevent lumps and cook to the color you need, from pale blonde for white sauces to deeper brown for gumbo. Adjust heat if it browns too fast and taste as you go for balance. Use a kitchen scale for precise equal weights, or match tablespoons when you want simplicity. A heavy-bottomed pan keeps heat even and reduces hot spots that burn flour. Whisk vigorously when you first combine butter and flour, then switch to steady stirring as the roux cooks to your color preference. Keep tools handy and a clean measuring cup for adding liquid smoothly. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is leak-proof, easy to grip, and perfect to keep you hydrated while standing at the stove. I use it all the time when making roux. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it really helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Control your heat to get accurate color without burning. Medium-low is often best for beginners. Remember, darker roux adds deeper flavor but less thickening, so adjust flour amount if needed. When adding stock or milk, add a little at a time while whisking to prevent clumps and create a silky sauce. Taste and season at the end, and store unused roux refrigerated for later use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.